The day after arrived on the southern coast of Spain was just like any of the over 300 days of sun here on the Spanish Riviera. But as the day went on, the wind began to pick up speed, and the sky turned gray over the Mediterranean Sea. I checked the weather forecast on my iPhone, and it showed that tomorrow would be sunny. If the weather keeps up like this, the harvest at Finca La Capellania will surely be cancelled. The weather got progressively worse, and I was finally able to fall asleep. At least it has stopped raining for the moment. It is still quite windy, and the clouds are moving fast. The only difference is, this time they're moving back out over the sea, and the weather forecast is still predicting sun by mid-morning. At around 7:30 a.m., I met Nadim and his fiancée Nadia downtown Marbella for the 1.5-hour drive to Benarraba, where Finca La Capellania is located.
I mean, we're really in the olive oil making regions of the world.
Yes.
Probably you can grow it somewhere else, but this is prime Mediterranean olive oil.
Yeah. What varieties of olives do you have?
We have Picual, Albequina, and Manzanilla. These are the three main varieties we have on the farm, and also we have this wild variety which is called Acebuche, which up to now...
Along the way, we stopped and picked up Justo, an engineer who is going to help Diego, the estate manager, and Nadim find a proper location for disposing the olive waste.
So now we're arriving at the town of Gaucin.
As in the movies, every end has a beginning. But before we go to the beginning, we must know the end. And this is where the olive waste will end. The sun is finally out today, and the tranquility of the estate is having a calming effect, and the olive harvest at Finca La Capellania has begun. Waste from the oil extraction process is a valuable commodity. It is purchased by downstream processes to produce light olive oil. Now here's the oil. Nadia gets the first taste, and my objective has come to a satisfying conclusion. It's time for lunch, so we headed back to the main house on Finca La Capellania. Lunch was served with fresh olive oil on German bread, tortilla de patatas, and a green salad. I was able to fulfill my objective, which was to capture the olive harvest at Finca La Capellania. If you haven't yet subscribed to fincalacapellania.com, go ahead and do so now and be among the first to know whenever a new video is uploaded. I'm the Olive Branch. Until the next time.